Hello everyone. Today we're going to be learning how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. We're going to use these three letters, D, R, D, to help us do this converting. So our first D stands for divide. Okay. The R stands for remainder equals numerator. Okay, and this last D stands for denominator stays the same. Okay, so let's do an example together where we use DRD to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. Okay, so let's say our improper fraction is 17/3. Okay, remember that an improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator value is larger than the denominator value. Okay, so we're going to use DRD here, and the first D stands for divide. Okay, so our fraction bar, the operation that our fraction bar represents is division. So we can sort of read this problem as 17 divided by 3. Right? 17 divided by 3. So we're going to go ahead and do that division, right? We're going to use this first D that tells us to divide and put 17 inside our house divided by 3. Okay, we're going to see how many whole times 3 can fit into 17. So I know 3 can't fit into 1, so I'm going to put a 0 there. 3 can fit into 17 now, 5 whole times. 5 times 3 is 15. When I subtract, I get 2. Okay, so I divided my numerator by my denominator, and then my remainder becomes my new numerator, and my denominator stays the same. Okay, so what's going to happen here is my whole number in my mixed number is going to be my quotient. Okay, my remainder is going to be my new numerator. And my denominator, this 3 right here and this 3 right here, stays the same. Okay, so we divided, right? We divided our numerator by our denominator. The remainder became our new numerator. Our denominator stayed the same. And you can see here that our quotient became the whole number. Okay, so we're going to try another example together using DRD. So let's try, let's see. Let's do 20/6. Okay, so as a reminder here, our fraction bar represents division. So you can kind of think of this as 20 divided by 6, right? Divide first in DRD. So 20 divided by 6. 6 can't fit into 2, but 6 can fit into 20 3 whole times. 3 times 6 is 18. When I subtract, I get 2. Okay, so I did the division. My quotient here is going to be my new whole number. My remainder is going to be my numerator. And this 6, my denominator, stays the same. So I end up with 3 2/6. Now, as a mathematician, I know that I cannot leave my answer like this because 2/6 is not in simplest form. So I am going to reduce this fraction to simplest form. I'm going to write my answer over here. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And I'm not going to forget my whole number 3. So 20/6 written as a mixed number is 3 1/3.